Greetings, creative minds. It is important to note that weak figurative construction drawings can result in weak animations and illustrations. This is evident in the character designs by Disney, Pixar, and other great animators, which were developed on strong construction drawings. Solid drawing is one of the important animation principles as well. To visualize and draw the human body, it is helpful to convert it into simple body shapes. Before we dive into the topic, I suggest checking out my basic construction drawing tutorials. Now let's refer to this pose. I would like to mention here that every artist may have different techniques for the drawing the human poses. I start with the head and torso because the torso plays an important role when it comes to twisting, bending, or turning. Begin with the head and define the angle, paying attention to the center line and draw how it's moving. The basic form of the pelvis, then add cylinders for the thighs and complete the legs while maintaining balance. Use pipes for the hands. Work on your construction drawing continuously and you will definitely see an improvement in your figure drawing for animation and illustration. For more helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the Creative Skills Society's YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't wait any longer. Subscribe now.